Our next chapter is from geometry and measures, and that is specifically circles. Okay, you say these questions, you can just WhatsApp me on this number, then I send them to you. Or you can look for them in any WhatsApp group of your choice. So, circles, then you come and you look for circles. What are we looking for in circles? What are the learning outcomes? Identify various parts of the circle, state and use the formula for circumference and area enclosed by the circle. Those are the only things we want the student to know. Don't set anything other than that. Maybe you can, at the end of the scenario, maybe set something to make it more appetizing. So here the learner, what is the competency? The learner understands, justifies, and applies the formula of the area and circumference of the circle. So here, a learner, the learning outcome here is very brief. Knows the formula of the area of the circle, knows how to use the circumference of the circle. So from this topic, basically, that's all they want. So let's see our activity that is helping us to get all that. So here the activity is saying, the visual community wants to construct a circular playing space of radius 350 meters. To make it comfortable for the kids and their guardians, they want to place seats around the edge of the circular at intervals of 5 meters. Each seat will cost 55,000 shillings. Set up the community, determine how many seats required and the total cost needed. This now, you said I'm including the total cost, but it wasn't in the learning outcomes, so I'm adding this to make it appetizing. But here, your focus should be on the students using the area and the circumference, getting the circumference. Okay. Anyway, so we want first of all know the length of this circle, but we are going to be using our radius of 350. So there you can just say now, I first need now to get the distance, which is the circumference. So from there, so this our circumference is equal to 2 pi r, or someone can say circumference is equal to pi d in case we have the diameter, but here we just have the radius. So very pretty. So what are we going to use as our pi? So our pi is 22/7, but you can also use 3.14. So just substituting in the formula, our circumference is 2 times then our radius. So our radius here 350. Clearly that our radius is 350 meters. So by this one, by this 5, so now my circumference is 2 times 22 times 50. So you get your calculator, then you paste that, and you know, so 44 times 50, that is now is 2,200 meters. Now that's our circumference. So meaning the length of the whole of that circular is going to be that. I want to place seats every after 5 meters. So now you come here and say number of seats. Number of seats. Now this is what I'm adding to make my question appetizing, because setting an activity just for the circumference looks. So number of seats is going to be now the outer distance over the space we want. So we want a seat after 5 meters, I think. Yep. So now we are going to get the outer distance divided by the, okay. So 2,200 divided by 5. So this will give us 440. So those are the number of seats. Now, if those are the number of seats, how much are we going to spend on that? The cost will be now the 440 times the cost of each. Each is 55,000. So if you get that, the answer is 24,200,000 shillings. But remember, we said for every activity you respond to the task. Then therefore you come and say, so they need 440 40 seats. That will cost them, that will cost them 24,200,000 shillings. So you always respond to the task. Okay, that was brief. Maybe if you wanted, you can maybe add something that they want to know the area so that they can pave, so that they can use the area of. So that's it. See you.